Hey everyone! Today let's explore a key part of the body's control system, the autonomic nervous system. Think of it as the body's autopilot, managing heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. We'll focus on the sympathetic nervous system, responsible for the fight or flight response. The ANS is one of the body's oldest control systems and is nearly identical across all mammals. It's divided into two branches: the sympathetic nervous system, SNS, our fight or flight system. The parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, manages digestion and relaxation. For more details, Miller's Basics of Anesthesia is a great resource. It covers how anesthesia interacts with the ANS to keep patients safe. Now let's dive into the SNS, which prepares the body for action. The sympathetic nerves originate from the thoracolumbar region. This spans from the first thoracic, T1, to the second lumbar vertebra, L2. Preganglionic fibers in this region activate the fight or flight response. The preganglionic fibers connect to clusters of nerve cells called ganglia that form two chains along each side of the spine. The first neurotransmitter released is acetylcholine at the terminal of the preganglionic neuron, where it binds to a nicotinic receptor on the postganglionic neuron. This activation continues the pathway, leading to norepinephrine release from the postganglionic neuron to communicate with the target organ. Once norepinephrine reaches the target, it binds to adrenergic receptors, including alpha-1 and beta-1 receptors, which trigger various responses. Alpha-1 receptors cause blood vessels to constrict, and beta-1 receptors increase heart rate. Norepinephrine can also bind to alpha-2 receptors on the presynaptic side, reducing norepinephrine release as feedback. Another SNS neurotransmitter is dopamine, which binds to D1 receptors postsynaptically or D2 receptors presynaptically. Other co-transmitters, such as ATP and neuropeptide Y, help fine-tune the SNS responses. These co-transmitters play a crucial role in modulating the effects of dopamine. How are neurotransmitters made? Sympathetic neurotransmitters, like norepinephrine, are synthesized from tyrosine. In the nerve ending, tyrosine converts to dopa with tyrosine hydroxylase. Dopa then converts to dopamine, stored in vesicles, and changes to norepinephrine. In the adrenal medulla, norepinephrine converts to epinephrine. Each nerve impulse releases about 1% of stored norepinephrine, maintaining a significant reserve. Once released, norepinephrine binds to presynaptic and postsynaptic adrenergic receptors. In the postsynaptic cell, this activates secondary messengers through G-protein-linked receptors. After binding, norepinephrine is reabsorbed by the presynaptic nerve terminal. Any norepinephrine that escapes reuptake is broken down by monoamine oxidase, MAO, and catechol O-methyltransferase, COMT. To sum it up, the sympathetic nervous system is like an emergency response unit producing and releasing neurotransmitters like norepinephrine to keep us prepared for action. Understanding this system is essential in anesthesia. For more, check out Miller's Basics of Anesthesia. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.